Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got Tina Dial in the building, right? This one is called Tina Dial 720. Now, this one is a nice, funky look for everyday dress down watch face. So if you're looking for something different, something that's going to stand out, something that's unique, then this will be the watch face that you want to check out. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Again, the name of the watch face is called Tina Dial 720. It's not a bad looking watch face. Now, you see, you got some animation going on here, right? Which is really nice. And even in the always on mode, you're going to get the nicest look. I wish it was an actual watch face, but the watch face when it's on is not bad at all, right? So if you look in four corners, you're going to see animation going on here. In the middle, you will get your date info. Got a nice analog look with the hands there. And down at the bottom, you are going to get your digital time. So you get the best of both worlds with this watch face. Now, you do have an app launcher in here, right? You say where it's at. Right here. So you can go into your email. Right here, you can go into your contacts, make a phone call. Here, you're going to be able to get your music on your run. And here, it's going to give you Bixby for those of you all who are into Bixby. So I thought for a unique watch face, this one was definitely different, but not bad, especially considering that it's free. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number two. Now, number two is nice. Now, this one here is by Brada. We saved the best for last. Now, Brada always brings the noise. He's always going over and beyond to bring us the best of the best in analog and or digital watch faces. And this one here definitely is no exception. Now, on top of everything, people, this watch face is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And it comes in two versions, 12 hours and 24 hours. So Jonathan, make sure you go get your download on, my friend. But let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. Now, in the AOD mode, it is going to have an elegant look. I really like this. And maybe it's looking this way to me because it's in a black and white theme, which really stands out, especially if I'm in a business attire. Now, once the watch face is on, it is pretty much geared toward exercising or for the runner in you. So if you're into running, you're into jogging, you're into exercising, this will be the watch face that you want to have on your wrist when you go out for your run. Now, looking up at the top, you will get your battery percentage, going to get the name of the watch face. You're also going to get info on your calories burned, steps over here, your step gauge down at the bottom, same thing for your mouth, for your calories burned. You're going to get your date in the middle. So this is a good look. I like what he did with this watch face. The placement of all the information looks good, and it is in the active. So if I tap here, I can get my calories information and more. I tap here, I can get my step status info. Also, if I single tap here, I can get my music, right? And if I want to cycle through the many different colors and themes that this watch face has to offer, single tap on the name of the watch face and it'll bring up all that it has to offer. And it offers a lot. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.